Okay, this video we're going to be doing a little bit different off of the 41 Ford for a little while. It's resting in the stall next to where I'm working on the new project. Kind of a new project, kind of a project I've been working on for a while, but I decided to start sharing it with you because it is an interesting project. So here's how it started, and I'll turn this around and zoom in, but it's the uncomparable 1973 Born Free Super Travel Coach. Unfortunately, when I got it, it was mostly rotten, as you'll see. I'll see if I can even figure out how to put in old pictures of it when I was tearing it apart. There was just very little rust left of it. But I'll show you some of these pictures. But it was quite the camper, and I was actually looking for something specifically to put onto a gooseneck trailer to make kind of my own version of a fun mover out of it. But it's definitely an interesting deal. So the Born Free Super. But if you look at it really closely, you can see that there's a tag axle underneath of it. So, and it was the lap of luxury. Even got the, I'll see if I can get some pictures of the snake skin or leopard skin. That's what it'd be, leopard skin or whatever, couches or upholstery in it. The bathroom was rotten. I had to throw it away. I still do have the stove, but there's a picture of it, and you can just kind of see underneath the tag axle. Now, for anybody that's familiar with these, if anybody's restoring one, I have these sides that I'm no longer using. I actually have these windows that I'm no longer using, and I have the axle. If anybody knows of anybody that does happen to need something, reach out to me, and if we're close enough, we can figure out how to make that happen for restoration. This one was just too far beyond restoring to go that direction with it, so it's becoming more of a hybrid. It was a pickup camper, but the original reason why I liked it so much is this is a one-piece fiberglass roof, as you'll see, and now I'm sanding it down to recoat it. But I hate camper roofs because they always leak. This one, for being as old as it is actually held up pretty well. Just needs some love now, and that's what we're going to give it.